Oh, it's recording. Tracks your face. That's cool. All right. So we are out here today with a new camera. I'll show you guys with my phone some dual camera action here. All right, so I got the new Insta 360 Go 3S. I've been wanting one of these specifically for a little pod that you can detach and put on the hat mount there. Haven't really figured out all the settings yet, but I got the hat clip mounted, which is way lighter than my GoPro 10. That thing was heavy, dude. We're out here today, not really any drills in mind. Just kind of wanted to come shoot, and the main purpose is to test out and chronograph these new rounds I got. I started buying these 124 grain precision deltas. I'm thinking this is going to be my match ammo, and then the Super Vel that I've been buying could be my practice ammo. I still kind of enjoy reloading, just not so much. We're out here today with my old as fuck Caldwell chronograph. What's that called? Caldwell, Alyssa. It's Caldwell. As long as it measures the bullet speed, I'm all right. I've seen those new radar chronographs, but they're like 500 bucks. I'm still buying bullets. So that goes there.
Hold it.
4. $10.86, $10.80, $10.84, $10.84. All right, so we did the math. What was that? We got an average speed of 1,081 out of 9 shots, and the power factor came up to be 134.15 power factor. That is not bad. I would like the power factor to be a little lower, closer to the 132, 130 area. So I think I'm gonna go back to the press and knock down maybe 1/10 of the powder, so we can get closer to that 132-ish, 130 power factor. But I do have about 150 of these loaded today, so we're just gonna shoot for fun. Maybe just try to, do some fun drills that I don't really get to do because I'm always trying to do some training. And hopefully Alyssa will get off of Twitter and she'll shoot her gun too. Jesus. Do that again. You gonna do that again? That was really, that was very impressive.
I can try.
Well, I won't record you then.
No, it's okay. Just don't tell me if you are or not.
Okay.
I don't want to know.
I wasn't recording you.
It's not flashing red. My face then?
Oh yeah. You got gun oil freckles right now.
Lovely.
Dude, that was great. You shoot that thing really good.
I do.
You want to get the camera so we can get pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do that for you if you go grab it. We're just gonna do a draw and shoot on a stock Prodigy. Iron sights. Only 162. Hot brass. 175. Miss 116. All right. Let's do a bill drill here. There we go. 202, all in the A zone. All right, we're gonna do a. Huh? What happened? Oh shit! Look at that fireball, dude. That's so cool. All right, we're gonna do a 2 reload 2. That was 333. Shooting iron sights is crazy now. Feels so weird. That was a 313, so I knocked 2/10 off, even though the reload was not fantastic. God damn it, 324. What happened there? The magazine wouldn't release. All right, you want to shoot it?
Yeah.
There you go. Here, let's do something real quick. Ugh. Okay. Hell yeah, all you, baby. Sorry, you're gonna be more featured on this channel than you're used to. We already have some hits on this paper, but just for reference, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out and a line toucher. I'm just gonna run some, I don't know what, just some more drills. Maybe we'll see how fast I can draw again. We are at about 7 yards. Let's do a bill drill. All right, that was a 182. First shot was a 91 and 17 splits. Had 1 out. All right, we're gonna do it again. All right, had it 1 Charlie for sure on the right side. Everything else is there. That was 184. First one was clean. This 184 was not. 1 down on that one. All right, here we go again. All right, slow. That was a 210. Not a really good grip on that one, but that was clean. So we got maybe 3 bullets left. All right, here's what we're gonna do. That's about maybe 8 yards from here. 10-inch piece of steel. I'm just gonna draw and shoot one as fast as I can. Okay, here we go. That was an 85. See that? 85. I saw a flash of red on the dot on the piece of steel, and it looks like it was a hit on the left. All right, here we go again. $85 again, so pretty consistent. That is pretty average for me. I was hitting them in the 9s. I figured with practice I could get them in the high to mid 8s. And it looks like I'm pretty consistent there. So if I start pushing speed, I'll probably start missing. But I wonder if I can get one in the low 80s. All right, low. That one I did not see my sight, and that's why it was low. All right, we got one more bullet in here. Oh, high on it, and that was slow for a second. All right. I got a pasted up target at 7 yards. I was out here with my dad the other day, taking him to the range for the first time ever in his life. And I just without thinking, without trying, I just started drawing to show him how fast I could draw. And I actually ended up doing a draw at 5 yards, and I had a really good first one, seeing my sights. It was like in the 70s. At 5 yards you could push it a little bit, right? And then I was like, well, I'm just gonna see how fast I can go. And dude, I started going in the 6s, in the 5s, and then my fastest and where I stopped was I had a draw at a 0.45. Woo, 45. Using my limited optics USPSA rig with this Red Hill tactical holster and my Prodigy, right? It's kind of a race gear. And I didn't see my sights whatsoever. They were just hitting paper, and that one that was a 4.5 hit an A zone, super lucky. But I could actually say that I shot a first shot from a draw at 0.45. I don't know how many people could say that they got an A. Might be luck, but I'm not trying to really reproduce that here again. I'm just trying to see what I can do again. Point shooting, or maybe I'll try to see my sights, who knows. But all right, we're gonna shoot now. All right, so just real quick, we're gonna do a draw, shoot one on the buzzer. Here we go. All right, that was a 0.69. Y'all can see that. 0.69. Right in the A. That was a miss. 0.66. All right, 0.78. You can't see it from here, but that's another alpha. That was a 0.78. What was the last one?
0.69.
0.69. So slowing down a little bit, but they're getting alpha shots. 77. All right, I need to see my. God, I am not on it like I was the other day. Just because I'm trying.
Yeah.
Right. The other day, I didn't even know Omar was recording that video. He was just recording over my shoulder while I was going fast. And now that I'm trying, because I'm fucking recording, the fastest I do is a 0.69. Ugh. 0.70 alpha. That was a delta 0.67. I was shot my stick, a delta 0.74. So these last two I did not see my sights at all, and I'm not really speeding up, so maybe I should just look at my sights. Ugh, bad grip. 81. Alpha 71. That was a low Charlie 84. Low Charlie 93. Alpha. All right, that was great. So, come over here. So that was an alpha. That was a 68. And that was one of these right here. I would say that's more luck, but looking at that, it tells me that I definitely have the ability to see my sights and get a first shot like in the 6s. But right now, if I just average what I'm doing, I'm probably like in the mid 8s, low 9s, somewhere around there. That's just...
Stop it.
I'm not recording it.
It's flash.
So you're gonna be my RO. We're doing bill drills. Time 163, and looks like 4 Charlie 2 Alpha. Ugh, shooting high. What was that? 193. That looks like, dude, I am not shooting well today. It is a bad day to come do fast shit. All right, that was a little better.
186.
What was that? 186. Time 188. What was my first shot?
101.
101. That looked clean. All right, we got maybe 2 bill drills that we can do.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Ugh.
190.
190 with a trigger freeze and 1 alpha. I mean, 5 Charlie, 5 alpha, 1 Charlie. All right, here we go again.
195.
195. 107 first shot. So out of all that, 2 out right there. All right, so we are hot, and I taped up everything outside of the A zone. Having a little trouble. I wish I had clear glasses because this is way easier than this shit. All right, that was a 185. 185, 102 first shot. 14 splits, clean. There we go. First shot 80. There we go. First shot 80. 163, and it looks like that was 3 alpha, 3 Charlie. What is that? 3 alpha, 3 Charlie. 1 really close Charlie, but that was a 163. Maybe I went a little too fast on the draw because that was an 80. A little out of control there. That was a 170. Was it back? Yeah, back. All right, so that's a 170, first shot 83. Splits were about, that shows the best split. So that's a 16. And from here, it looks like 2 Charlie and maybe like a line breaker on the top of the alpha. Woo, slow, 107. I came up over the top on my draw. I had a 12 split there, dude. That was my first 12 split ever. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out. 161. Okay. So 2 reload 2. I haven't done this drill in forever. All right, here we go. 3 with a first shot of 0.99. And it looks like I have a Charlie over here on the right. Woo, smoking right there. That was a first shot 85, 16 split, and I can't tell from here. 3 out. So that was 1 alpha, 3 Charlie. Recording now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we have 4 shots. We have 4 Charlies up there right now. Gun is loaded. And we're doing a 2 reload 2 again. There we go. Ooh. I thought something went wrong, but it was a bad grip. All right, so that was a 2. That was a 252, 84 first shot. And that's 3 Charlie again. So I'm not really seeing my sights, unfortunately. I need to just look at my sights. That should have been clean. 295. First shot 112. Splits are 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was a mic. I saw myself throw that to the right side of the target. All right, now just for fun, this is a bone stock Prodigy. It has a magwell. It has a 19-pound mainspring on it. It has an 8-pound recoil spring. The gun is stock, has iron sights. This eventually will get built like the other Prodigy, so I have 2 identical guns and I have a backup. But this has turned into your favorite gun to shoot. Oh, I I don't know. That was great. 173. So that was just like 2 out, and it was actually fast. 160. God damn it! What the fuck?
It's the superior gun.
That was 166. First shot 86. 15 splits. And that looks exactly the same as before. So that was actually clean. Wow. All right. What else can we do? Let's just draw and shoot at that steel. I can see where it hit. 96. High, fuck 98. Oh, pop that off. I want to put it up here. Okay, so we have one in the chamber. We're going to do another bill drill. 164. 82 first shot. 16 splits. And I know that first shot was that one. That's it. Just out here having some fun. The goal was to chronograph and just have some drills, make some content. Nothing too exciting. Alyssa's tired of being chased by wasps and horseflies, so we're gonna call it a day. One thing I am now learning, this gun, for some reason it feels way more comfortable to shoot, and the reason is, I believe, the trigger. One thing I wish I would have done with that red dirt trigger is gone shorter. This being curved, I don't know if you can see this being curved, makes it closer to the frame than the flat trigger is. So an option I might consider is changing that trigger out to be shorter. You see how much more that sticks out. So I would like to go to, like, this is an F3, which is the medium size. I would like to go to like an F2 or even smaller than that, because I really like how that felt. A curved trigger, maybe it's the curved trigger that I like, that makes me feel like I can shoot it better, because I feel like it like grabs, I can feel more of my finger touching it. So I really could feel like I was shooting it faster. I don't know, maybe when I build this one up, we'll do that experiment. All right, guys, that is it for us. We're gonna go home, eat dinner. See y'all.